Hello traders, in this video we're going to go over my new trade tracking spreadsheet. I'll explain the concept behind it, how to use it, why you may or may not want to use it, and if you're interested, where you can get it. So right off the bat, you may notice something strange is that it only tracks the number of trades that you've taken. It doesn't care about the day, the week, the month, anything like that. And I think that's extremely important because I don't want any traders to focus on, was I profitable this week or last week, or did I have a red week, red month, red day? None of that stuff matters. All that matters is that you trade the exact same way every single day and you track it for 100 trades. If you've already done that and you've proven that you're profitable trading the same trading plan every single day with 100 trades, then you're ready to move to the next step and trade full position size. We just did that recently with our small cap trading plan. You can check out all those videos with the small cap playlist if you haven't done so already. So now let's assume you have traded your strategy with one single share size for 100 trades, doing the exact same thing every day, and you've proven it profitable. Now you want to take the next logical step, which is to move up to full position size. But you don't go from trading one single share to now all of a sudden 5,000, 10,000 shares or using thousands of dollars per trade. You really want to take things step by step in trading. Otherwise, you are putting yourself at serious risk of losing a lot of money or possibly blowing up your entire account. So the next logical step is to to go from one single share to trading $100 per position. So if you have a cash account, which is what you should be trading with if you're newer, you should input $600 into that account, and that will allow you to take up to 3 trades per day. That's just based on our trading plan and trading strategy. It allows you to take 3 trades per day. So you could have a maximum need of $300 per day, and $600 in a cash account will give you that, because in a cash account, it takes 2 days for cash to settle. So if you use all $300 today, then tomorrow you will have $300 left, assuming you started with $600. So let me know if you have any questions about that. Because that may have not been the clearest explanation. But if you've already done that and you've already got past that level, you can always change this value to some higher value. Maybe you've done the $600 and now you want to see, well, what if I trade with up to $2,500 per day? Is this still working out for me? Then you would enter $5,000 in that account at that point. So let's go back to the $600 for the purposes of this video. And you can see I've already put in some example trades here, and the first 2 trades lost and the third trade worked out. So this would have all taken place on the same day, but again, doesn't really matter. That's all already decided by the trading plan and strategy. So we just need to track the trades and make sure that after 100 trades, things are still working out and still profitable. So let's say this is the next day, we get triggered on a trade and we trade some arbitrary ticker symbol, and let's say we lose the first trade and we got in at 18.50, and maybe it was a $2 risk trade this time. Actually, let's make it a $3 risk, just 'cause I don't want the numbers at the end to match and be confusing. So let's say it's a $3 risk, 18.50, and we got out at 15.50, and at 18.50 we could buy 4 shares. Actually, we could buy 5 shares. So that would be our share size. Now the commissions and fees, if you don't know what the commission and fees are for your broker, I would just Google your broker and the word fees. So if I Google Webull fees and commissions, this is what comes up. And you can see that there are no commissions, the fees are 0. And 99% of the time for newer traders, this is what you're going to be charged as far as the fees, is 1 cent every time you hit that sell button, no matter how many shares you have. The only time you're going to inflict this weird like small dollar value, we'll say, of way below 1 cent, and same thing over here for the FINR fee, is if you're trading with large position size like 50,000 shares or more. So in general, this value is what we're going to use, and you see that already entered in the spreadsheet. So a 0 commission, and press tab, and then we can enter in this value. If it's already entered in because you've already traded, then you can just drag it down. You don't have to enter it in every time, and you can drag all of them down all at once as well, just by highlighting and doing that. And of course you see it's adding that up like we took a trade even though we didn't, because that's all part of the next trade. So if we take another trade, and let's say on this one we win the trade, and this time we got in at $18, And since we're trading 3 times our risk, that's what we learned when we were doing the small cap trading plan, is that we need to hold till 3 times our risk. And let's say the risk was the same as the previous trade, so that would be $9 above the $18. So $27 is where we would get out. And again, it's 5 shares that we would be able to buy. And you can see in that case, we made $44.98 off of that trade, and everything else is updated. So you can see the account value has increased at this point. So this is just an example. This shows you how you can track it. And after you've done 100 trades, then at the end, you can see if your account value is going to be larger than it was at the beginning of this tracking spreadsheet. And if it is, then you know, okay, my trading system still works. If it doesn't, then you may have to do a little bit more homework and figure out why your trading system no longer works. Are you still trading it the same way, or did something change in the market? So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you are interested in this trading spreadsheet, it is available at tradingarmor.com, and it's available at the fully armored trader level. That gives you access to all of my spreadsheets, all of my trading calculators. The only level above that is the full armor plus battle plan, which gives you access to all of that stuff, the spreadsheets and calculators, but also the trading plans as well. But I just assume that some traders out there are trading their own plan and they just want the spreadsheet, so that's why that exists. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions about anything that we talked about in this video about this spreadsheet, and I'll get back to you in the comment section below. As always, I highly recommend every single trader go into every trade with a plan, stick to that plan no matter what. Then always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.